What's up, everybody? I have a different video here for you. I'm going to show you how you can make money online just by browsing the web. Yeah, you've heard that right. Just by browsing the web. And it's easy. It's simple. I've been doing it for a while now. Actually, all year. So I'm going to show you some of my earnings. Actually, let's just jump right into that and show you what I've made that I have already banked. Not the stuff that's pending, but what has banked already. If I put my phone on the screen right here, Basic Access Token it's called. I've made $241 this year. I have 1,000 BAT, which is pretty awesome. So what is this? Basically, you get paid Basic Access Token, which is kind of a form of money, and it's a cryptocurrency. You can put it in your wallet, and then you can cash it out anytime you want. Easy as that. So with that said, let's go over a few things. Because this might seem like it's a whole lot of work and everything. No, it's not. It's pretty simple, and it is taking the world by storm. I know what you're saying. I like Google Chrome. I don't want to use this browser that's probably junk. No, it's better than Google Chrome because it is based off of Chromium, which is what Google Chrome is based off of. And they just took it to the next level. So here I have the web browser on the screen. It looks just like Google Chrome and it acts the same way too. So I have a few things here. We have this here, which is the Brave rewards. You click on there and then you have shields. So shields is to protect you. Automatically they're on by default on every site, but you could turn them off. So I have them off on certain sites like Google because I give them access. But if it is on, it will stop anything harmful from hitting you. So it's really great on other sites because it's like super protection. It's a shield basically when you're online. So there's no reason not to use this. So let's go into Brave Rewards just to show you what it's like. Here you have the information. I'm going to go ahead and click on reward settings just to show you what mine are. And here we can go ahead and click add settings. And I have 5 per hour, which is the most you can get. So basically they're going to serve up little ads every once in a while, every like 20 minutes here, most likely. And I just click cancel on the ad and I get paid. And it's not a crazy thing. It's a little thing on the bottom right corner that pops up, talks about what it's about. And you either click close or you click on it to see what it's about. Easy as that. And you get paid the more you browse. So if you're browsing already a lot, this is a no-brainer for you. So with that said, let's go ahead and look at a few other things here. Say I was on my YouTube channel. Say you have Brave. Yeah, you've been with it. You already got your first month payment. Say you got 10 Brave. Unfortunately, I don't have any Brave in my account because I used it all. But say I have 10 Brave. And I go to Kevinsmak's channel and I'm like, this video really helped me. I can click on this triangle here and send a tip. And when I do that, I can send 1 Brave to them. I could be like, okay, here you go. There's 1 Brave, which is currently worth 23 cents. Or 10 Brave, which is worth $2.30. So it's ways to tip people as well. Now you're thinking, well, I don't have a YouTube channel. It's big or anything like that. It's not just YouTube. It's websites. It's Twitter. It's Reddit. There's so many different ways to get your account attached on things. So if you're thinking this is awesome, the link's down below. Go ahead and click it. It does help me out if you do click it. But once you go ahead and sign up, then share your link to your friends. That's what I would do. And with this said, let's go ahead and look at how much Brave I'm getting coming up. So we're going to go ahead and go into Brave Creators. And this was an amazing month. So this is my balance here, but that's not my payout. My payout is here. So 778 Brave. So we'll copy that. This is a great month. So I'm going to go into this converter here, and it says I'm going to erase the 1 and paste it. So 778, how much US dollars would I get? I'm going to hit convert, and there it is, $179. Now granted, you might not be able to score that much, as I also have YouTube and stuff like that, and people send tips because people are awesome. But you might do pretty well. You could easily get, 10, 20 bucks if you're using it a lot. And then every month that adds up over and over and over again. This is the browser of the future. It's more secure than anything. It does not track you like Google Chrome. And it is, I talked about this a year ago, and now it's just blowing up. They're getting so many people. So you're probably thinking, how do they make money? Let me explain how they make money so you know it's legit. What happens is you get the Brave, right? So you do one of two things. You tip someone or you cash it in. So what happens with that Brave? Where does it go? Well, advertisers come and they buy that. And then they spend that Brave to put the ads in. So it's kind of like a rotating circle. So it keeps going. It keeps feeding itself. They're not going to come to a point where they're like, oh, we don't have any Brave left. No, because advertisers are going to keep buying it up. And there are some crazy advertisers that get this. So again, the link's down below. I would also get a Coinbase wallet because that's the one I use. And I think it's the most secure and it works pretty easy. I'm going to also put the link down there if you want to check that out. If you have any questions, let me know. I mean, look at this. This is insane. This was a really good month, by the way. Like I said, really good. But last month I had 168, so that's a little more on the norm. So let's go ahead and do 168 here real quick just to show you. $38.70. So I just basically use the browser and put it in my wallet and let it alone. And it's just going. And Brave's even down a little bit right now. Sometimes it goes up to 25 cents. So, you know, if it ever jumps crazy, your money's just going to skyrocket. So that's my spiel. If you can't tell, I am so excited for Brave, and I have been. If you're a little confused and you want more of a tutorial, I have already done a tutorial on it. I'll put it up at the top, and then it walks you through how to install everything and set it up. Again, there's no reason not to get this. It's amazing, right? Free money. Free money. And yes, you can get this on your phones. You can get this on your computer. You know, I know iPhone and Android both have a version, so click the link down below and you'll be all set. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you already use Brave, let me know, and let me know how you're doing with it. I was hoping an ad would pop up, but none popped up yet. I'll keep the recording on, and I will show you an ad once it gets there. There we go. It finally popped up. There's the ad. So it'll say Logitech. So you can see there's some serious people here that are taking ads. You can click the ad, or you can just hit close. And that's it. Now I got paid. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, smack a like, and I will see you in the next one. Here's a tutorial as I mentioned. Smack out.